Today in the Detail Garage, I'm going to introduce you to the brand new clay eraser disc from us here at Chemical Guys. Now the clay eraser disc is a unique way to decontaminate and clay any type of vehicle faster and easier than ever before. Now this unique disc uses geo-impressions right on the surface, and it can be used by hand or machine to pull off things like overspray, contamination, rail dust, brake dust, and any type of industrial fallout that lands on your paint. Now the clay eraser disc comes in 3 different grades. You can get it in super fine, fine, or medium. Now on this Toyota today, we're going to be using the fine version to remove all the contamination and make the paint feel smooth as glass. Now the clay eraser disc is designed to be used with the interface pad that's designed specifically for the clay eraser. Now the interface pad is made out of unique memory foam and attaches to any dual action polisher. So once you have the interface pad, you can easily stick it onto any dual action polisher, and that allows the clay eraser to flex to any type of contours and any shape of the vehicle for perfect claying experience. Now if you'd like to use the clay eraser by hand, you can easily take the interface pad and use it with the included hand strap. Now the hand strap is fully adjustable, so it fits big hands and small hands, and it connects quickly to the clay eraser interface pad, and then the clay eraser pad can connect right to the interface itself. That way you can easily scrub any type of surface. Now we're going to be using the clay eraser pad with the Torque 10FX dual action polisher, and this allows you to clay any vehicle, big or small, in a matter of minutes. So to set up the dual action polisher with the clay eraser, we're going to first take the interface pad and connect it right to our Torque backing plate. And once it's connected, we're going to grab our clay eraser disc. Now the clay eraser disc has unique geo-impressions, and the geo-impressions actually swipe the paint and pull off contamination and overspray faster than a traditional clay bar, because every swipe of a geo-impression is equivalent to multiple swipes of a clay bar or a clay disc. So I'm going to take my clay eraser disc and I'm going to place it right on the hook and loop interface pad. Now we're ready to start clay barring the vehicle. Now when you use the clay eraser, you need to use a lubricant. We recommend the Chemical Guys Clay Luber for easy lubrication of the clay disc, for maximum contamination removal, and easy glide. Now before you clay any vehicle, you want to make sure you wash the surface. This surface is completely washed and we're ready to start claying. Now if you hear on the surface, it feels rough and it feels like there's contamination and overspray on the surface, and the clay eraser is going to pull that off. So let's take our luber and let's spray the area liberally so we completely cover the area that we're going to be working with. Now I'm also going to take a few more sprays of the clay luber and I'm going to spray it on to our clay eraser disc. Now when you use the clay eraser disc, you want to use it on your dual action polisher on speed setting 1 or 2 to make sure that you don't harm the surface and you pull off every bit of contamination. So I'm going to turn my machine on, I'm going to set it on the surface, and I'm going to put it on speed setting 1 or 2 and move it along the paint with no pressure. Now as I work along the paintwork, this is pulling off any type of road tar, contamination, overspray, rail dust, brake dust, and any type of environmental or industrial contamination. Now you don't have to press real hard. You can easily go ahead and just move the machine over the surface and let the machine do the work for you. So now that we've worked over the entire surface, I'm going to grab a microfiber towel and I'm going to gently just dry off all the excess clay luber. Now this ensures that our vehicle is smooth as glass and ready for any polishing, any sealant application, or a nice coat of all natural Chemical Guys Brazilian carnauba wax. Now once you've gone ahead and clayed the surface, go ahead and take your hand and feel for any leftover contamination, and this hood simply feels extremely smooth, so it's ready for any more detailing we want to do. Now when you're done using the clay eraser disc, you actually want to go ahead and clean the surface. Now the clay eraser does not need to be thrown away like traditional clay bars. This can be used to clay 40 to 50 cars. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some clay luber or warm water. You're going to spray the disc itself. Then you're going to take a microfiber towel and you're just going to wipe off any type of contamination. Now this is going to pull off any residual contamination that's stuck on the pad. That way we can use this over and over again to clay bar many types of vehicles. Now this is going to come in a fine version, an ultra fine, and a medium version, so you can clay bar any type of vehicle quickly and easier using a machine polisher. Now if you want to use it by hand, you can simply go ahead and pull the clay eraser disc right off the machine. You can then go ahead and grab the included hand strap, place it right on the interface pad itself, and now you're ready to spray the surface down and then easily clay it by hand. So it gives you a lot of versatility on how to use the product, and if your machine is too big to get into smaller areas, like you want to work on headlights, you can easily take the clay eraser disc and clean the surface, and then take a microfiber towel and dry off any extra lubricant. So now you guys have seen exactly how easy and quickly you can clay and decontaminate any vehicle using the clay eraser disc from us here at Chemical Guys. Now if you're looking for the fastest way to clay any vehicle with the best results possible, you can easily pick up the clay disc to get the job done and make your car feel smooth as glass. Well, hopefully we'll see you next time right here in the detail garage. Always remember to have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.